Okay, so this is Stateroom 8284. It's a spacious balcony. And walking into the room, it's pretty much just a standard balcony, same as we stayed in before. You've got your door you walk in. Lots of closet space. They just moved my clothes over from my other stateroom. You've got standard restroom, toilet, shower with the hard plastic shower doors. Of course, over here you got a medicine cabinet to store stuff. Full-length mirror. It's got a couch. Another vanity mirror with lights. Got two more nice little cubbies to hide stuff. European plug. Two 120 plugs. Lots of drawers. Refrigerator or a little cooler. Phone. And for those of you that didn't know, if you look on the side of the phone there is a USB plug for charging your phone or whatever devices. Looks like I have a broken door. It's alright. Now of course I'm by myself, so I have the full bed set up. And of course we got the balcony. Today we're looking out over San Pedro. And it looks like we have a celebrity ship in port with us today. Alrighty. So again, this is Stateroom 8284 on Royal Caribbean, Navigator of the Seas, sailing out of San Pedro, California. We're just going to be doing the 3-night Ensenada day at sea. I just finished the 7-day going to Cabo, Mazatlan, Puerto Vallarta. Just got back today and changed staterooms, and this is this stateroom. Alright, until next time, I am out of here.